Hello and welcome to the Key to Your Success tip number 3. I'm your host, Dana Cakebread from Stylist Success Bootcamp. So, number 3, what is your e-brand? What emotional brand are you stating when you walk into your salon every day? Now, I want you to choose the 3 adjectives that best describe how you want your clients to see you as. Do you want them to see you as playful, creative, professional? I mean, you choose. So share below in the comments below and share what your 3 words are so that we can start to sort of uh, curate what that might look like in the future or maybe tomorrow. Have you ever heard a picture speaks 1,000 words? Like how you show up every single day gives the clients the word of mouth descriptions. Like, my stylist is awesome. They're super playful, they're creative, and very professional. So take the words that you've chosen and dress the way that those words emulate. Style your hair the way that you want it to feel if it's feeling creative, or maybe it's professional, maybe it's playful. Whatever those words are, show up as them. You will notice that the essence of that you'll have more people around you saying, "Oh my God, you look so playful. You're so creative today. Oh my God, you're just so professional." They show up because you put an intention of how you wanted to show up that day. So take these 3 words and bring them with you every single time. They can change. You don't have to stay with the same 3 words, but you'll start to notice that you have a brand. Your emotional brand is what you give off to those around you. All right, so let's get ready for tip number 4.